Okay, so my goal is to make a stop motion animation style mouth using this phoneme chart, and this kind of stumped me for a while. So I'm going to, we're going to use the UV warp, and I'm going to do cursor to selected, armature. I'm going to go into edit mode, just shrink this down a bit. So this first bone, I guess I can't explain it while doing it. So make a bone, and it's called bone. Duplicate it, and they need to be in the same spot. So I'm going to, that first bone, I'm going to click on it. I see I have it selected. I'm just going to name it. I'm not even going to name it. I'm just going to move it in, and that. So I assumed that would be our base bone, and then this, when I move it up, I want this to be the target, and when this bone moves up. So anyways, we'll go to UV warp on our plane. I've already unwrapped it, UV warp, and so now I'm going to do from the armature, and the bone, how does this work? It was like the bone I thought should be the target was not the target. So let's just see if I can get it not to work. So, you know, I choose one bone, and if I go up, it's like in reverse. I move it up and it seems to go down. So if that's the case, quick fix, just reverse these two, go back into pose mode. Yeah. So then you can make your, you could make your mouth shapes by going to pose library new. You'd say like, oh, this is add new, call it FV, and then go over to X, and this could be called add new, smile, and then just, this is E, add new, E, and then if I do Control L and scroll through, I can see there's my FV, there's my E, there's my smile. Okay.